Motorola just shook up the premium Android tablet market, and they are taking a direct shot at the big players. If you've been looking for a powerhouse device that perfectly balances extreme productivity, cinematic entertainment, and high-tier creativity without breaking the bank, this might be it. Say hello to the all-new Moto Pad 70 Pro. Motorola just officially announced this beast, and it is packing absolute flagship-grade hardware, an incredibly smart AI software suite, and a gorgeous, massive display. The best part? They are actually including their premium Moto Pin Pro stylus right in the box. Let's break down exactly what this tablet brings to the table, what it costs, and if it deserves a spot on your desk. First, let's talk about this jaw-dropping screen. Motorola went massive here with a 13-inch 3.5K display. But they didn't stop at resolution. This panel boasts a butter-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, a 12-bit color depth, Dolby Vision support, and cranks all the way up to 800 nits of peak brightness. Whether you are editing HDR content, sketching, or binging your favorite series under bright lighting, this screen is built to look flawless. And the entertainment side gets even better. To match those gorgeous visuals, Motorola packed in quad JBL speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos. It's loud, it's immersive, and it completely eliminates the need for external speakers when you're watching movies or gaming. Under the hood, the Moto Pad 70 Pro is a certified monster. It is powered by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of onboard storage. If you need more space for massive files, video projects, or movie downloads, you can easily expand that by up to 2 TB using a micro SD card. Motorola claims this setup delivers an absolutely staggering AnTuTu score of over 2.5 million, making it one of the most powerful tablets on the market. For the mobile gamers out there, this means full support for 120 FPS high frame rate gaming on demanding titles. Software-wise, it ships with Android 16 right out of the box. Motorola is guaranteeing a rock-solid update roadmap, promising official upgrades to Android 17 and Android 18, along with dedicated security patches, keeping you protected all the way until 2030. As I mentioned, the Moto Pin Pro stylus comes bundled in the box, and it unlocks a ton of deeply integrated AI-powered features. You get tools like Smart Capture, Sketch to Image, which turns your rough doodles into clean artwork, AI Super Resolution, AI Live Transcript, AI Notes, and a smarter reader. For those looking to replace their laptop, the tablet features Motorola Smart Connect and a dedicated desk mode. If you pair it with the optional Snap-on keyboard, which features a built-in touchpad and a dedicated smart key, you instantly get a seamless PC-style workflow. All of this is wrapped in a stunning, full-metal body that measures an ultra-thin 6.2 millimeters and weighs just 589 grams. For connectivity, it's fully future-proof with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. To keep you going all day, there's a massive 10,200 mAh battery inside. It supports 45W fast charging. But in a refreshing move, Motorola actually includes a 68W fast charger right in the box for quick video calls or document scanning. You also get a 13MP rear camera and an 8MP front-facing shooter. Now, let's talk about the launch details and pricing. The tablet drops in a beautiful Pantone Titan colorway. The standard retail pricing starts at 36,999 rupees, which is roughly $390 for the 8GB plus 128GB version. The 8GB plus 256GB option comes in at 39,999 rupees, or about $420. If you want the full productivity setup, you can purchase the 256GB model bundle with the Snap-on keyboard for 45,999 rupees, which translates to around $485. Keep in mind that if you buy the keyboard separately later, it will cost you 5,999 rupees on its own. But if you're looking to buy at launch, there's an awesome introductory offer. ICICI Bank cardholders get an instant 4,000 rupees discount, dropping the effective starting prices to just 32,999 rupees, or $350 for the base model, 35,999 rupees, or $380 for the 256GB model. and 41,999 rupees, or $445 for the full keyboard bundle. Mark your calendars because official sales kick off on July 4th through Flipkart, Motorola India, and major retail storefronts nationwide. What do you think? Did Motorola just release the best value premium tab of the year? Or are you sticking with your current setup? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss the latest tech releases. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.